Today, I'm going to teach you how to view and reply to email conversations in Gmail. This is essential for staying on top of threaded discussions and ensuring your replies reach the right people in a conversation. First, open your browser and head over to mail.google.com. Sign in to your Gmail account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see your Gmail dashboard with all your folders and options ready to use. Next, click on Inbox in the left sidebar. This brings up your full message list, where you'll see all your incoming conversations displayed. Each item in this list represents a threaded conversation, which might contain multiple back and forth messages grouped together. Now click on any conversation from the list to open it. When you do this, Gmail displays the full thread with all the messages stacked together, with the newest messages appearing at the top and older ones below. This threaded view makes it easy to follow the flow of the discussion without losing context. Scroll through the conversation to read each message in the thread. Gmail collapses older messages by default, so you can click on any collapsed message to expand and read it fully. This keeps things tidy while giving you complete access to the entire exchange. When you're ready to reply, look under the specific message you want to respond to and click Reply. This option sends your response only to the person who wrote that message, keeping your reply targeted and direct. If you need to reply to everyone involved in the thread, click Reply All instead. This ensures that all recipients on the original message see your response, which is crucial for group discussions or team communications. A compose area will appear at the bottom of the thread. Type your response here. Gmail keeps your reply in the same conversation, so everything stays organized and easy to track. Before sending, you have a couple of useful options. Click the paperclip icon if you need to attach files to your reply. You can also click the formatting icon, which looks like an A, to format your text with bold, italics, bullet points, or other styles to make your message clearer. Once you've finished writing and adding any attachments or formatting, click Send to deliver your reply. Your message will now appear in the thread and all recipients will be notified. Thanks for watching.